Meaning of embroidery.
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 Embroidery. Embroidery is the art of decorating fabric using needle and thread. It involves creating intricate designs on cloth by stitching patterns with a needle and thread. The result is a beautiful and detailed design that adds texture, depth, and interest to any piece of fabric. Embroidery has been used for centuries to adorn clothing, home decor, and accessories. It can incorporate various stitches, materials, and colors to create unique and personalized designs. Overall, embroidery is a time-honored craft that adds beauty and elegance to textiles.